Rivers State in the news again. You are welcome to our channel. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and like. Forgive and forget. Rivers leaders call for unity after Nyesom Wike's outburst. In Port Harcourt, kinsmen of Chief Nyesom Wike, the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, have called on former Rivers State Governor Dr. Peter Odili to forgive Wike for recent remarks perceived as respectful. The appeal comes after Wike accused Odili of personalizing the state's affairs and claimed credit for reviving Odili's political and personal life, as reported by Vanguard. The initiative for transparent strategy and good governance leadership, represented by its President General Barrister Chizi Enyi, criticized Wike's comments as unnecessary. AE, a kinsman of Wike, emphasized the impropriety of attacking Odili, who had refrained from directly naming Wike in an earlier statement. Our worry is that this is the same Nyesom Wike who publicly on live television declared that if not for Sir Dr. Peter Odili and his wife, he would not have become the governor of Rivers State. He swore that any day he would make the Odili family cry. God should not allow him to grow. However, we see he says one thing and does another. He said. He further accused Wike of attempting to control the resources and structure of the state, even as he holds a ministerial role. He described Wike's frequent interference in Rivers State affairs as harmful to the state's development. Wike's showmanship is not good for Rivers development. We hold all the in high esteem, and Wike cannot reduce the golden governor to nothing. His actions have done more harm than good, and he seems unwilling to learn his lesson. Enyi remarked. The group extended a public apology to Odili and his family, urging him to forgive Wike's action. Enyi called for unity and mutual respect, highlighting the importance of prioritizing Rivers State's progress over personal disputes. So many twists and turns in Rivers State as a result of crisis that is going on between uh, Governor Fubara and former Governor Nyesom Wike. My thinking is, as Odili not call both party, or what is exactly going on? Does it seem as if one party has refused to listen, or it seems as if Odili has decided to, you know, shift his tent with one party? Nobody can really say, but looking at it on the face value, Odili hosting a sing-song service for the incumbent governor at his own house is speaking a lot of information, a lot of things. And for Wike, who happen to have been grateful to Odili, if not for him, he might have not become governor like the Mr. Enyi quoted, might be thinking even aloud now, saying what can he really say concerning the situation. Will an Odili who happen to be like a father to both of them will be taking a side against him? Maybe probably that is what is bringing out this bitterness of statements coming from his side, but we don't know. But Mr. Enyi now came in between now to begin to apologize on his behalf. We also don't know the role that he has in mind to play. Is he trying to patronize the governor in order for him to be included in their affairs and the governance, or to get some contract? We don't know. Or is it that he's particular about, really genuinely particular about the status of Odili not being trampled and not being disgraced by Wike camp? We don't really know. But one thing is sure, as long as they continue to make this noise and raise unnecessary dust, Rivers State will not know peace politically. But then, if their situation is what is going to make the incumbent to keep performing, I think we'll pray their Lord to continue to allow them to give themselves such pressure that will result into performance, because that is what will benefit the people of Rivers State. Now then, as elder statesmen, Odili, former governor, Wike, former governor, Fubara, current governor, these are elder statesmen, and their fathers to the state. I think it's expected that the trio should come to a round table and discuss as elders and look at how they can provide lasting solution. And if it requires both party or the three parties shifting a little, shifting some grounds in order to accommodate individual differences and idiosyncrasies, I think they should do, because most paramount in all of this is the state rivers. And like Mr. Ayi said, that how can Wike, being a minister, wanting to control the state again? The reality remains that the governor of a state remains the leader of that state. Most of the time, we have always been seeing this unnecessary feud between the incumbent governor and then a serving minister that is from a particular state. The minister wanting to be in charge, controlling the governor because he is at the center, and then the governor, because he is at the base, the home at the state, will always want to be in charge. I think this thing is clear that the governors are supposed to be the leaders of the party anytime anybody is in power. Those who are working with the federal should stay there and begin to control the affairs of the state as regards the federal, but they need to work hand in hand so that they can move their states forward, because this feud between Fubara and Wike would deny Rivers State of a lot of benefits that might have come from the center, because it requires synergy between the serving minister and his governor to be able to attract a lot of federal government projects and a lot of things from the center even to their state. But be it as it may, as the situation is now, Rivers State might be losing, and the ones Wike may want to use his mind to pull might be the ones he will get a good score for, not the one in general that the whole people might probably enjoy and benefit from. So I am appealing and also talking to both all the three of them to sheet sword. And of course, Dr. Odeli, like he made a remark about somebody want to turn Rivers State to his estate, is an elder. Even though that can be the reality, at this point in time, he should call Wike privately and talk to him about the matter. Probably might have done that and Wike would have refused, who knows? But as the elder, he will need to call Wike again, because it will be wrong of Wike, like we have seen, to begin to attack an orderly in the public. It's not, it doesn't augur well, even for the state and for the politics. They should sit down and find solution to their problems, and God will help the state. Don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe. Thank you.